Hello students, today we are going to start 1.4 exercise of first chapter rational numbers. In the beginning we have again some multiple choice questions up to question number 5. So our first question is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 upon 3 equals to. Today I have not taken the options, so just we have to solve it. Okay. First we'll take this mixed fraction minus 1 and 1 upon 3. It can be written as 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So this is minus 4 upon 3. Now we have to write its multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of minus 4 upon 3 is minus 3 upon 4. So you have to take the option in which answer is given minus 3 upon 4. Next question is the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 8 upon 11. So first we will simplify this product. Minus 2 upon 5 multiply by minus 8 upon 11. If we cancel these two signs, and nothing can be cancelled now, so 2 8s is 16 and 5 into 11 is 55. So reciprocal of 16 upon 55 is 55 upon 16. So this is the answer. You have to choose the option in which the answer is given 55 upon 16. Actually, multiplicative inverse and reciprocal are the same thing. Next, for any rational number 5 upon 9, we have 5 upon 9 equal to 1. So if we multiply 1 to any rational number or any number, we get the same number. So its answer will be 5 upon 9. Nothing to think about it. Next question is number 4. For any rational numbers a upon b minus c upon d and e upon f, we have a upon b multiplied by c upon d bracket close multiplied by e upon f. This is called the associative law. Okay, so associative property says that the product will be same in whatever order you multiply them. Here a upon b is in the beginning, c upon d, e upon f and e upon f. So this option matches well with this one, only the bracket putting is different. So this is the correct answer. Let us verify the other things. C upon d, a upon b, e f. Okay. A upon b, e upon f into c upon d, none of these. So students, this is the correct answer. Okay, because the order is given same. Now number 5, minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 9 equals to. The options are given these. So minus 7 upon 9 is here first and minus 2 upon 5 is here after that. So the product of these two rational numbers will be equal to the product of these two rational numbers. Okay, you can solve all the parts, and whichever option whichever option matches with the product of this one, you can do that. Okay, but here B part is the exactly the same because they are matching. They are just in the inverse order of each other. Now students, next is fill in the blanks. First option is two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. So its answer will be order. You will write here order, O-R-D-E-R. Okay, as we have done here. This two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. So the order is changed. So you get the same answer. So here you will write order. Next, one is called the dash for rational numbers. So one is called the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. This is the correct answer, multiplicative identity, because on multiplying 1 to any rational number you get the same answer. Okay, so here you will write the multiplicative identity. Next, third part, B upon A is called the dash of A upon B. B upon A and A upon B are multiplicative inverse of each other, and that is also called reciprocal. So here you can write the multiplicative identity or you can write the reciprocal. Both are correct. But reciprocal word is mostly taken and more fluently people use this reciprocal. Now 0 has no dash. So students, 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, this is just a whole number and it has no reciprocal. You get 0 as it is. Next question is, for rational numbers x and y, verify the property x multiplied by y equals to y multiplied by x by taking. I'm taking first part, x equals to minus 3 upon 5, comma, y equals to 10 upon 7. So let me write the property first. X multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. So x is minus 3 upon 5 and y is electricity problem. What we have, x multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. The value of x is given minus 3 upon 5. We have written here minus 3 upon 5. Multiply by the value of y, we have to write 10 upon 7. Again y is first. So we'll write here 10 upon 7. Multiply by, again x is here. So x is minus 3 upon 5. Only the orders are reversed. So this is called commutative property of multiplication. They always are true. Now 3 tens is 30, or we can deduct this one, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is again minus 2 3 this is 3 2 6 upon 7, and here 2 3 6 upon 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. So students, you have to solve the next part yourselves. This is x is equal to 2 upon 7, comma, y is equal to minus 11 upon 76. Okay, you have to put first like this, x into y equals to y into x, and then you have to put the values same as I have done here. So students, the next questions, the leftover questions of 1.4 will be tomorrow. Thank you for today.